Hello Zenbeez, it's time for a string safari. Well, not quite string safari. So we completed 75 projects in this series. Can you believe that? 75 projects under string safari series. So I thought it's time we try something different and move on to a different kind of projects. So we're still going to keep it black and white and keep it simple, but I just wanted to give it a light twist. So long ago, once upon a time, back in 2011, CZT Margaret Bremner talked about this concept of creating a string using a tile on a tile, and I've been wanting to explore that ever since. So now finally, after a decade, I want to explore this with you. So watch out for our new series, Tile on Tile Strings, every Tuesday at 8 p.m. on my YouTube channel at SANDHYA MANNE Studio. See ya. Namaste.